Barnaby, a dreamy bear with fur the color of honey, loved his forest home. Each morning, he'd embark on a walk, his paws patting softly on the mossy ground. Sunlight dripped through the leaves, painting dappled patterns on the forest floor. He'd pause by the whispering willows, their branches swaying gently in the breeze. Sometimes, he'd spot a family of squirrels, their tiny claws scrambling up the oak trees. Barnaby would smile, a gentle, contented smile, enjoying their playful antics. One day, he discovered a hidden grove, filled with wildflowers of every imaginable hue. Butterflies with wings like stained glass fluttered around him, their delicate dance a mesmerizing spectacle. He felt a sense of wonder, a deep connection to the beauty surrounding him. He continued deeper, discovering a crystal-clear stream, its waters sparkling like 1,000 diamonds. He cupped his paws, drinking the cool, refreshing water. As he walked further, he encountered a wise old owl perched on a branch, its eyes gleaming with ancient knowledge. The owl hooted softly, a greeting that felt both comforting and mysterious. Barnaby felt a profound sense of peace in that moment, a feeling of belonging in this magical forest. He continued his journey, the sun beginning to set, casting long shadows across the woodland path. The air grew cooler, carrying the sweet scent of pine needles and damp earth. He passed by a family of deer, their graceful movements a silent ballet in the fading light. As twilight deepened, Barnaby made his way back home, his heart full of gratitude for the beauty he'd witnessed. The forest held a special magic for him, a place where dreams unfolded with every step. He drifted off to sleep, dreaming of butterflies and whispering willows, the sounds of the forest echoing softly in his slumber. He knew tomorrow would bring another adventure, another chance to explore the wonders of his beloved woodland home. The next morning, he woke up with the same dreamy feeling, ready for another walk in his enchanting forest.